Okay, this is page 579, and this is number 2. And now it says we had this diagram that we did on number 1, and now they want us to change it to probabilities. They say to go to the thousandths. That's 3 places, just like this one they did. And they did one for us. And we already know the total number that we had over here. We found the total number was 49 when we did part E right here. So we found 49 when we did E earlier. So let's first just double check how they got this answer here. They just did the 22 divided by the total. And then they rounded off correctly to 0.449. So literally all we have to do for this table is just round each one of these. Divide it by 49 and then write it down. And I'm going to write mine above so that I don't have to write so small and we can read it. This is this one. Okay, now remember what these numbers at the bottom mean. This one at the bottom means everything inside both of these. Everything inside the G circle. So I just add these together and write it there. That means everything inside the G. And then I'm going to add these together to get this one. And that's all I had to do to fill those in. Now it asks me, explain how you found P, the probability of goldfish less than or equal to a year old. Well, these right here are less than or equal to a year old, and it's what we just did. We divided 22 divided by the total. That was part A. And then number 2 says, what are the total of all the probabilities for this experiment? Well, if I add up these probabilities in here, they should add up to 1, because probabilities always add up to 100%, or they always add up to 1. That's it for that question.